Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in forever. I've been like completely out of makeup and just working like the entire summer because I'm preparing to leave to Italy. So I'm actually leaving tomorrow morning, but I've stocked up on a few more products so now I can finally shoot a more cooler video than just the basic look I always do. Yeah, so I'm leaving to Italy tomorrow, so I'm just finishing up packing and I will show you what I got from Sephora. Alright, so some more product reveals. I decided to try the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So this is a setting powder. Typically I use the Kat Von D one, but I just wanted to switch it up. So something else that I got was this Charlotte Tilbury like liquid eyeshadow. So it's called Eyes to Memorize Long Lasting Easy Color. Alright, so here is the container. And yeah, I already put some on the other day, so next. So I decided to try this Urban Decay Wild Lash. Next, I got this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel because I've just wanted to try that. The Urban Decay Brow Blade because obviously I need that all the time. And then the cover up that I got is just the one that I love, the Sephora Airbrush Mist, and this is shade medium. So I want to try that Charlotte Tilbury one, the Hollywood Flawless or whatever, but it's always sold out every time I go. But yeah, I definitely recommend this cover up. It's pretty affordable. I got it for like $20 and it's one of my favorites that I've ever had. Alright, so now I'm just gonna first start off with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Alright, so there's that brow gel. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it down now. I'm kind of trying to let my brows grow out a little bit right now so they're not like perfect. Don't come for me. Alright, so now I'm just taking this Urban Decay Brow Blade, shade Taupe, shade Taupe, and just filling it in. I'm gonna get the crayon side out first. Okay, so I put on the Urban Decay Brow Blade. So yeah, that was a mix of both sides. So we're gonna whip out our Charlotte Tilbury, and first I like a basic beige, and we all know where I like to get that from. This color is called Sweet as Honey. Okay, got that part on. So now let's go ahead and do this like liquid eyeshadow. And I'm gonna apply it with a brush. We're just gonna get a little of that product out. Oh my gosh, so get this, side note. Yesterday I went to get my nails done and I wanted to try like the Hailey Bieber nail. I know, bad idea to be basic, but freaking I asked for like pearl with chrome on top and kind of like nothing like it, but what sucked is their pearl, they didn't have regular, only glitter. So I had to get glitter, top it with chrome, and it looks nothing like it, so whatever. At least I have like my own style, but I'm not even too sure how I like it. Alright, so you can see the dramatic difference between the eye that I put on the liquid eyeshadow. So if you aren't looking for something that dark, then I would recommend putting it only like in one spot of the eye versus the entire eyelid. Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and that's with the Maybelline Master Precise All Day, shade Black. Okay, I'm wondering if I should try that one look where it goes like that and then into... I wish I was recording, but I made a little mistakey. So we're gonna take it off. Okay, I'm not too sure what that inner thing is supposed to even look like, so I'm gonna research it real quick because this is... Alright, so here's our finished product. So basically... Sorry, I barely filmed that because I was trying to figure out what to do. But basically, I just got my Master Precise All Day and I formed that little line, which is very faintly. And then after that, I took this miniature brush and just grabbed this black color from the Milani Obsessions and just went in the corners and like defined it. Go ahead and start doing face makeup. So we will begin with our cover up. I just clipped it back real quick. Now we're gonna spray this on. Just close your eyes. And it's honestly so light that I can't even feel anything. Like it just feels like air. And I woke up with this little dot on my face, so we're gonna cover that with concealer. Otherwise, it has great coverage and it's very light in concealer, and that is with the MORPHE Filter Effect, if that's what the brand is called. This is Light Warm, shade 4. Now we're going to go ahead and contour. And for contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. And sometimes I do concealer and contour like at the same time and then just blend it all out, but I'm doing it separate right now. Now we're going to blend. Setting powder we'll do next. This is the Laura Mercier Paris, New York, or whatever. Laura Mercier translucent powder, and obviously there's no shade. So if you don't know what translucent is, that's clear. So we got our setting powder blended. Now we can go ahead and put on our powders. The only powder I'm going to be putting on, I believe, is my blush and highlight. So we'll get to it. Got out my blush brush, and I'm going to use the Tarte Adelaine Morin. I'm going to do our highlight with this brush. Alright, so now we'll do our mascara with the Urban Decay Wild Lash. This is a vegan formula with coconut, sunflower, avocado, cassava, colza, minerals, and grains. Alright, well there's the mascara. I really like it. This eyeliner look is so edgy. I look pretty goth, but I guess that's the point. I don't know. So I wish I could remember what the eyeliner look was called, but I don't know. I just saw it on like TikTok or something. If you know the name of it, please comment below, but I'll try and figure it out. Alright, so here is my finished makeup look for today.